Meghalaya Post.news.
Usambut Menteri Kesorkar Jelang berubadairu Chairman Kawes Jaintia Hills Regional Committee ubah senyau balang dhar ulang baka Sorkar Meghalaya kelalong kebalak kre banya penbaik no yauput usam hapadeng ke Asam bat Meghalaya bat kadang ap ya karai ke Sorkar Asam bakadang hab bentung yo Chairman batmai ke Regional Committee hakani ke jingi penbaik put hakawat ke baar jong ke kam ya penbaik put penbaik sam ngidang ap ya ke Sorkar Asam bakan pentip yo Chairman batmai batang siyo jing tip kin beteng ya ke jingi kendu banya keran ya kani ke kam penbaik put ong ubah senyau balang dhar ulaya turu halor ki kam penbaik put hak benta jong ke blok 1 ki ar Sorkar kata ke Sorkar Asam bar ke Sorkar Meghalaya kilapan kre ela ke jong ke kaipon ulo ongru bangila long ki bala kre eki kaipot bala depa na baro ar teli ki komiti bat ngamla ban batai bat ngikloi ban pedang banwan ban yatai halor ki te ki jaka baya ke japut shua ban penbet yauput usam ulaya turu baya ke ni gamat la IT sabaro ar teli ki komiti bakin shim ya karai ban penlong ya ke jingelang na ke benta ban beteng ya ke jinge penbet pun halor ke jing dawa banwan ra biang ya ke blok 1 Meghalaya uba dhar ulo ong ba ke Meghalaya keladap le ela ke kamram ki officer kilajan pendap lut iki kaipon hakabakin sedang bani syong perkhat shua tang hapo ke komiti batkin sapentip sya ke Asam na ke bentaban beteng ke jingi kran penbet pun habakali halor ki jaka babun ki khasi penar hakiti ki than khap pun ubad har ulong bayabaro ki jingtip ki babanya ki don haudip ti commissioner.
Waiting for the Assam to give us officially who's the chairman from their part. As soon as they appoint the chairman of the regional committee, I think we will meet.
So has
Today, officially we have not received it today.
has
We are ready because the report we have to put the state, no?
what are the difficult
I
areas?
cannot say difficult since the areas of difference always is an area of discussion always. So we will see.
But invest
We are giving all this subject to the committee, both the state government. So that's why is the committee is the authority to take a call on the issues and border issues.
so
Some
some
homework we should done from our part we have done. The officer has almost completed, and when they complete all the report, we will sit first between the state and then we will inform the Assam when they form the committee. So we will sit both the committee and we will take a call how to go ahead.
and approximately how many?
We have to put all this information, the information to the DC with those area of difference.
Meghalaya Post.news.